Looking for hogs today, hunting from the ground. I'm using my 30-06 Ruger American. Let's get out of here and see if we can get us a hog. That's a good hog. We decided to go ahead and make some andouille sausage. So what I've got here is a big bowl of cut up pieces of pork. So it's just, we've got all of our bags of andouille sausage right here. 11 and a half, and then we just made a big batch of stuffed Anaheim peppers from the garden using the andouille sausage as well. So that brings us to 12 and a half pounds, which is awesome.